In this video, you'll learn how to enable dark mode on Udemy. This feature can help reduce eye strain during prolonged use and enhance your overall learning experience. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Udemy website. Once there, you will need to log in to your account using your credentials. If you are already logged in, you will be taken directly to your learning dashboard. After reaching the learning dashboard, locate the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This icon typically displays your profile picture initials. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu containing various options. From the drop-down menu, select the Settings option. This action will redirect you to a new page where you can adjust your account preferences, look for the section labeled Theme or Appearance on this Settings. Once you find the theme settings, you should see options for light mode and dark mode. Click on the radio button next to dark mode to enable this feature. You may notice a visual change immediately as the interface transitions to dark mode. After selecting dark mode, ensure that you scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click the Save button to confirm your changes. This step is crucial as failing to save will revert your settings back to the previous theme. Once the settings are saved, you can return to your learning dashboard. The interface should now reflect the dark mode theme, providing a more comfortable viewing experience. If you wish to switch back to light mode in the future, simply repeat these steps and select the light mode option instead. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.